What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable the profile views history on TikTok. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. By enabling profile views, you can access your profile view history and find out who has been checking out your content. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located in the lower right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, look for the hamburger icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open a menu. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, select Privacy. This section contains various settings related to your account's privacy. Scroll down in the privacy menu until you find the interaction section. Here, you will see an option for profile views. Tap on it. Ensure the profile view history toggle is switched on. Turning this on will allow you to see who has viewed your profile in the last 30 days. By enabling this feature, you can check your profile views by going back to your profile page. There should be an eye icon indicating the number of recent viewers. The profile views history is private and can only be seen by you. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.